Welcome to our housing market update for September 2012. The summer of 2012 drew to a close in September with home sale activity below historical averages in the Greater Vancouver housing market. There were 1,516 home sales on the region's MLS in September, which is 32% below September 2011 and 41% lower than the 10-year sales average for the month. We've seen a reduction in buyer demand in the 3 months since the federal government eliminated 30-year amortizations on government-insured mortgages. This has made homes less affordable for people in the region. In terms of home sellers, we saw 5,321 properties listed for sale in Greater Vancouver last month. That's a decline of 6% compared to September 2011 and an increase of 31% from last month. This activity brought the total number of homes currently listed for sale on our MLS to over 18,300 units. That's up 4.5% compared to last month. Today, our sales to active listing ratio is 8%. This means that for every 100 homes listed today, there's an estimated 8 buyers in the marketplace. The ratio has been declining in our market since March, when it was 19%. Generally, analysts say that downward pressure on home prices occurs when the ratio dips around the 10 to 12% mark, while home prices often experience upward pressure when it reaches the 20 to 22% range for a sustained period of time. The composite benchmark price for all residential properties in Greater Vancouver is currently $606,100. That's a decline of 2.3% over the last 3 months, and less than 1% decline compared to this time last year. Overall, home prices in the region remained relatively stable throughout the summer. We've seen some reductions in areas that had the largest price increases over the last year or two. For example, the benchmark price of a detached home on the west side of Vancouver decreased 6.5% compared to September 2011, and a detached home in Richmond declined 4.2% over the same period. In the longer term, benchmark price in these areas have increased in excess of 30% over the last 3 years. For further housing market information, go to the News and Statistics section of this website. For the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, I'm Eugen Klein.